What's going on, guys? This is Kraken King coming back at you, and in today's video I just wanted to make another brief tour of the updated Basecamp Beacon Kit that you can find on Second Chances 520 on eBay. So this is the Basecamp Beacon Kit that I'm referring to. When you open it up, you're greeted with the CHATTERBOX and then also the Wikipedia USB that has the entirety of Wikipedia on it. So what you're going to want to do is take the USB out and plug it in to your computer, and you will be greeted with this right here. Then what you're going to want to do is take your CHATTERBOX out and plug it into USB-C to power it on. And then what you're going to want to do is come down and connect to your CHATTERBOX like you can see here on the screen. We are connected, but no internet access. Great, so we're all on the same page. So now that you have your kit started, let's go for the brief tour for those of you that have just found this on eBay and want to know what to expect, and also for those of you that have purchased this. Thank you very much for supporting the Second Chances 520. So first off, we're going to double click on this HTML code which I've made. It's going to bring you here to this page. This is an introduction, core features, and how to activate your Wikipedia USB drive. I'll be showing you how to do everything step by step in this video, so stick around. The next web page that I've created is for the CHATTERBOX, and that is the device that you plugged in, like you had seen right here. This little white one right here, it's the glow-in-the-dark version. So you'd plug that in. It's a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi router, basically, and a message board. So this right here will tell you all about its features. It has a local web server hosting that allows you to have chatting available, which is right here. So this is if you purchase the CHATTERBOX, or if you go to Second Chances 520 and put in CHATTERBOX, you'll notice that I sell just a single CHATTERBOX here. Oh, let me see here. Today's demo will be on my rig right here. This is the CHATTERBOX. I have a rubber band because I keep my demo USB on it. I've put the IP address on there, and on my rig I have a 1S LIPO powering it, as you guys can see there, right? And that is what is created our 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi right down here that you can see says CHATTERBOX. So just like it says on here, connect to the Wi-Fi CHATTERBOX, navigate to this web page, and don't forget to hit post. So real quick before I get too involved in the whole situation here, let's just go back to a brief tour of all these folders. The Portable Apps Suite allows you to have portable apps on the go, wherever you're at, and it all operates on your USB. So to start your Portable Apps Suite that I have pre-downloaded for you, double click the start right here, and then you will notice that I have some pre-installed applications. This is a text-to-speech tool. This is a offline thesaurus. This is the BP Bible app for flexible Bible study programs. And then Tip 10 for your touch typing tutor. And then for your games department, I've included the urban simulation game Open Tycoon Deluxe, or Open TTD, and then Texas Hold'em Poker. So to properly add more applications to this drive, if you have space, you have 74 megabytes left, you can go online with your USB plugged in, go down here, and you can select this, and you will get a list of all the new applications that you can use, and you can erase and add all you want once you're connected online. But as you remember, our demo is all offline today. So to properly close your Portable App Suite, you want to click this X right here. Moving on with the tour really quick. The main feature to serve up your Zim files here, which we'll see here later on, is your Wikipedia or your Kiwix reader. So your Kiwix reader comes in multiple platforms. You have some for Android, which I have included 2 apps that you can sideload if that's available Today's demo will be using Windows version of the Kiwix reader, which is here, unzipped. This is a zipped version, the original version. You can share with your family and friends, and all you need to do is once they share it to their drive or wherever they're going to store this, they'll extract it and they'll be left with this nested folder, which will demonstrate how to add a Zim and to install that later. Continuing the tour down here, if you have a Mac OS, this is the Kiwix reader for you. And then if you have a Linux operating system, right here would be the one that you would attempt to use. Today's version, later on, we'll be using the Windows version. The new updated 2025 version right here, as you can see, is 111 gigabytes. So I had to remove some Zim files, and that's the only difference from the one Basecamp Beacon Kit that I have posted now. And this one, despite the sticker on the front of all the chatterboxes now. But we will have FET on here, and I'll have to pre-warn you that not all of them work, but I'm not responsible for those Zims. There are several that do work, and I think that it's valuable. But if you want to free up 100 megabytes, then I'll by means delete it, and you can add more Zims if you'd like. Today's demo will be demoing the Wikipedia, the new version. And to round out our tour of the USB and what you can expect after you purchase this is the graphic on how to connect that you might be showing at a seminar or something. So let's go back on up here to the top. Moving on to the next thing that I showed you guys is the ChatterBox that was located right here. And so this is the ChatterBox powered by a 1S LIPO battery, and it is your off-grid communications. It's dual power, like you've seen here in this video, is you can either power it via USB or you can power it via 1S LiPo. You've obviously seen how to use this here. And then this is it being used again. So you would just type in here, and then to post it on to it, you'd click this post button, and now anyone that is logged on to your Wi-Fi and on this COM page will be able to have communications back and forth. If you'd like to erase it, you can download this Arduino IDE, plug in your ChatterBox via the USB-C with a data cable, not a charging cable. Once you are successfully connected over serial, you can put the baud rate at this and then send a lowercase c in your serial command terminal, and it will erase all of the messages in case you get some profanity or something. Moving on down the line here, now that you've seen the hardware for the ChatterBox, I have a more in-depth chipset deep dive for the ChatterBox if you're interested, so check the video description for links possibly, or just check the Kraken King YouTube channel. So in a world of uncertainties, access to information is power. And this 128 gigabyte USB stick is preloaded with the entirety of Wikipedia and many other essential offline sites. It's designed for those who value preparedness, offering a vast knowledge base accessible anywhere, anytime, no internet required. I don't really want to waste any more of your time. Let me just go ahead and show you how to start up this whole situation if you've purchased it. And like I've said again, thank you very much for those of you who have supported me by purchasing the Basecamp Beacon, Wikipedia USB, and ChatterBox. First, you want to take your USB out of your case and insert it into your PC, like I said in the beginning of the video. Once you do that, you're going to be greeted with this interface right here. And what you're going to want to do is come down here to your Kiwix Reader folder. If you're using a Windows, then you will want to follow these steps here. It's a nested folder, so once you open this, you're going to need to open it again. Excuse me. You want to go down to the 17th folder right here, like it says. It's an executable file. It might be the 17th file down if you count them down here. And to start your Kiwix Reader, it's as easy as double clicking right here. So I've already installed this, and this is a drive. So we'll double click this. I'll simulate a double click. And then what it does is it brings up this Kiwix reader interface, installs it on your computer. Now, once you have this brought up here, yours should be completely blank and empty with nothing in it, no zim files represented. Okay, we're back. Sorry about that. So once you've launched your Kiwix reader, it should be blank like this. What you want to do is to load your Kiwix reader. Kiwix uses zim files, which are compressed archives of websites, and you'll need to tell Kiwix which ones to use. Once you do that, it should remember it, like it shows here in mine. So what you'll want to do is click on this folder here, navigate to your USB, go down here and to your zim files, find the Wikipedia or any zim file, which you're going to have to go through and do this to every one, but we'll start with Wikipedia. You'll click open, and what that'll do is open it in your Kiwix reader. Like this. So now you can see that we have the new one. It's not the old 24, we have the new one updated. And with Kiwix open, you can click on the icon folder like I showed you, and then navigate to your USB drive. Select each zim file, which we did the Wikipedia, and you only need to add these to your library once. Kiwix will remember them in the future. You can just keep the Kiwix reader on your computer and pull the drive out, or you can transfer it onto your computer if you have enough, but your reader will be installed on the laptop, and then your drive, all the zim files will be accessed from your drive. So let's move on down here. Now you're ready to explore gigabytes of information completely offline. I'll leave you with some of the top 10 survival subjects to search as we open this up, and I show you how to fully use all of this. So the old version, as you've seen back here, was 102 gigabytes, and the new version is 111. We have gained over 300,000 articles in English. This is the Wikipedia offline. This is how fast you can use it. You just click on anything, and this is browsing all the information on your laptop. Now, say you have friends and family that want to use this as well. Well, currently we are connected to the CHATTERBOX. With that interface, not only can we type to our friends, but we can also share the server. So let's go over here to the top, and you'll see 3 dots. You'll click that and then click on local Kiwix server. While you're connected to the CHATTERBOX with your Kiwix server on their laptop, you'll hit start Kiwix server. It's going to give you this web address right here. What you can do is come over here and paste it. Don't forget to hit post. And now anyone that is on your CHATTERBOX will be able to go in their web browser and copy this, paste it into their web browser if they're on your Wi-Fi and within range of your CHATTERBOX, which is right here. So you get quite a bit of range. My neighbors can actually log in on this and stream TED Talks, so it's pretty decent. Weather depending, etc., etc. But let's open it in the browser just to show you guys for the screen recording. This is what your clients, your Airbnb, your church members, your patients waiting, whatever you'd want to use this for. Ski resorts, log cabins and things like that that don't have any internet access, but you might need to have some sort of information. Now, just a disclaimer, all of these zim files will not be on your drive. Your drive only contains these zim files right here, which I will show you. So you did see Gutenberg on mine right here, but it is not included because it is 98 gigabytes. So this is what your friends will see. You'll click on Wikipedia and it'll work just the same in a browser setting. So I don't want to drag this on too long. So let me just wrap this video up. That's how you're going to do the Wikipedia. Whoa. Oh, we have to stop the Kiwik server. Make sure to close it. Yes, and then you can come up here and close out. Once you've loaded up all of your Zim files on here, which you'll see here, once you click through here and open each one and you see them represented in your reader, you're good to go. Let's just back up here and go to the top 10 searchable deals. Let's just show you how to use that really quick. We'll open this up, type in water, and you'll see that during your time inside of here, you'll be able to see a bunch of different topics come up. Let me open this one more time. There we go. Yeah, water. So as you bring up water, you'll see a drop-down menu of a bunch of different things that you can click on for your search menu to help you speed through. And that's how you'd use that search feature. All right, I'll end with the graphic real quick. Let's go back over here to your USB drive. And as always, you can help me hack the YouTube algorithm by smashing that like button. If you've enjoyed what you've seen today and want to join the family, then smash the subscribe button, because all my subscribers sit in the first row and get exclusive content just like this. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a comment.